A very good morning. This podcast is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic today is French elections 2024, a potential political shift with far-reaching global implications. The French snap parliamentary elections in 2024 have captured global attention. The political atmosphere is charged with anticipation. The results of this election will not only shape the future of France, but also shall have significant implications for the European Union and the global political landscape. Let's look into the likely outcomes and their implications. As we know, the first round results are already out. The National Rally Party, led by Marine Le Pen, has secured a strong lead in the first round, signaling a major shift in French politics. President Macron's centrist coalition trailed behind, while a left-wing coalition also gained ground. The extreme right's surge has raised concerns about the possibility of France having its first far-right government since World War II. These elections are expected to bring outcomes which are interesting. Let's look at these. First, Macron's incumbency. President Macron's tenure has been marked by significant reforms and international engagements. His handling of the COVID-19 pandemic and economic policies will be crucial factors in his re-election bid. The second expected outcome is Le Pen's nationalism. Le Pen's anti-immigration and Eurosceptic stance could attract voters dissatisfied with the status quo, especially in the context of economic uncertainty and security concerns. The rise of left is also an expected outcome, with focus on social and environmental issues which may appeal to younger voters and those frustrated with traditional politics. Traditionalism also could become an attractive conservative voters' outlook who are seeking for stability and a return to more conventional policies. The four possibilities expected as outcomes will have far-reaching impact on France. First, the economic policies. The new leadership will influence France's economic direction, affecting taxation, labor laws, and business regulations. A Macron victory might continue pro-business reforms, while a Le Pen win could lead to protectionist policies. The second impact could be on social cohesion. Immigration and integration policies will be pivotal. Macron and others advocate for inclusive policies, whereas Le Pen's approach could heighten social tensions. The third impact is going to be on national security. Terrorism and national security remain key concerns for French public. The candidates' strategies to address these issues will shape public confidence and national stability. French elections will not only have impact on France, but they will have a far-reaching impact on the European Union also. France's role in the EU is critical, and the election results will significantly impact the Union. First, the EU integration. Macron's pro-European stance promotes deeper integration and cooperation within the EU. Conversely, Le Pen's Euroscepticism could strain relations and hinder collective decision making. The second impact on EU could be economic stability. France's economic policies influence the overall economic stability of the EU. A shift towards protectionism could disrupt markets and trade within the EU bloc. The third likely impact could be geopolitical influence. French leadership affects the EU's geopolitical stance. Macron's internationalism strengthens EU's global influence, while Le Pen's nationalism may lead to a more insular approach. The outcome of French elections are also bound to have global implications. The ripple effects of this election will be felt worldwide. For example, transatlantic relations. France's relationship with the United States, particularly in terms of defense and trade, will be shaped by the election outcomes. Macron's alignment with NATO contrasts with Le Pen's more skeptical view of the alliance. The second implication could be global trade. France's economic policies under different leaders will impact global trade. Macron's open market approach may foster international trade, whereas protectionist policies could lead to trade tensions. The third impact could be climate change. France's stance on climate change is crucial in global efforts to combat environmental issues. Macron's commitment to international climate agreements stands in contrast to Le Pen's more nationalist policies. In short, the conclusion which can be derived from the ongoing French elections, which are likely to throw up some surprises soon. The French elections are more than a national event today. They are a global affair with far-reaching consequences. The choice of the French people will shape not only their country's future, but also the trajectory of the European Union and the international community. As the world watches closely, the importance of these elections cannot be overstated. The outcomes will set the tone for France's economic policies, social cohesion, national security, and its role on the global stage. Whether this leads to continuity or change, the impact of this election will resonate far beyond France's borders, influencing global policies, politics for years to come. As France heads to the decisive second round, the world awaits the outcome. Thank you very much for listening. God bless you. Thank you.